Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change time format and date format in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So first we are going to change time format. Now you see time. Now right click on it and then you see format cell. So click on it. Now format cell open and then you see custom. Also you see time, now select time and then you see locale, now select other country. Now you see different format PM. Now you see time with second. So you can select format according to requirement and then click on OK. Now you see time format change and then we are going to change date format. Again select cell, right click on it and then click on format cell and then you see format cell, you see date. So we select. Now you see sample, you see locale, now select English and then you see different format. So you can select date format according to requirement, you see, and then click on OK. So this is our date format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.